Good afternoon, everyone, and Jai Hind. Today, I am going to start the first stage of formation of a company, that is, promotion stage. So, promotion is the very first stage when a company is formed. So, in promotion, the stage starts when we have an idea about any project and we take initiative to convert that idea into reality and to form a company to start a business. Because, first of all, whenever we do something, before that, we have an idea in our mind. So, that intellectual idea we convert later into practical shape. So, here in the first stage of promotion, we conceive a business idea in our mind and taking initiative to form a company and give the practical shape can be given to exploiting the available business opportunity. Here it begins with somebody having discovered a potential business idea. What does this mean? That promotion stage begins with anyone who is having a potential, means very efficient business idea in mind. After having an idea, the person is start getting taking initiative to convert that idea into practical shape. Suppose in a case of Avatar we have discussed in the last class, he is a manufacturer of carbonator. So he is an idea in his mind first of all to convert his business to convert his manufacturing business of carbonator into a company. So when a person is having an idea in his mind, then after having an idea he start doing something related to it, start gathering resources for that, and he also search whether the business idea is feasible or not, means the idea can be implementable or not. Any person or a group of person or even a company may have discovered an opportunity. This line is very important. Any person, any company or a group of person may discover an opportunity, means person can also have an idea in his mind, a group of person is also having an idea in his mind, and after having an idea they proceed further to form a company. Then these person or a group of person who are having an idea and they proceed to form a company, they are said to be the promoters of the company. Why they are the promoters? Because firstly they are having an idea in his mind, they can be person or they can be a group of person, and then they proceed further to convert that idea to form a joint stock company. Now in a layman's language, in a second paragraph it is mentioned that a promoter is said to be a one who undertakes to form a company. In very simple word, in a layman's language, a promoter is that person who undertakes to form a company with reference to given project. With reference to given project means suppose, for example, in Avatar's case the project is related to manufacturing of carbonator. So a promoter is said to be one who undertakes to form a company with reference to a given project, means what he is going to do when he establish a company, what is the project, and to set it going on, who takes the necessary steps to accomplish that purpose. So a promoter is the person who takes all the necessary steps to complete that purpose. Suppose the purpose is to manufacture carbonator. So by establishing a company, that promoter will fulfill the purpose of manufacturing carbonator. Thus, apart from conceiving a business opportunity or business idea, promoter also analyze the prospects and bring together the men, material, machinery, managerial abilities and financial resources. Means he assemble and he collect all the necessary things. What are they? First of all, men means human capital, then materials, resources, machinery, plant and equipments, then managerial abilities means employees as the managers, and financial resources means money. All these are essential to start a company. These all essential things are assembled and gathered by the promoter and set the organization going. It means he set a base and a foundation for the organization to start. But there is a legal meaning of promoter which is given in section 69 of Companies Act. Right now we have understood in layman's language, in general language, that what do you mean by promoter, but what is the legal definition? Suppose if in examination the question arises related to who are promoters, then you have to write as per section 69. Don't write in general language, write as per section 69. A definition of promoter includes three things. First, who has been named as such in a prospectus or is identified by the company in the annual return referred to in section 92, means any person whose named in such in whose name is such in a prospectus, whose name is mentioned in the prospectus, or who is identified by the company in the annual return, which is referred to section 92. In section 92 annual return is given, so whatever definition is identified in that section, so it is in reference to that the person is said to be a promoter. Second, who has controlled the affairs of the company, means a promoter is a person who control the activities of the company either directly or indirectly, whether as a shareholder, as a director, or otherwise. So a promoter can be a shareholder, can be as a director, can be or otherwise, who directly or indirectly control the activities of the company. Or the third point, in accordance with those whose advice, directions or instruction, means a promoter can be a one who advise, who direct, or who instruct the board of directors. Board of directors are the top authority of the company, so anyone who advise, who direct, or who instruct the board of directors of the company is accustomed to act as a promoter, means he is liable to act as a promoter. However, it is provided that nothing in the subclause apply to a person who is acting merely in a professional capacity. After thoroughly examining the feasibility of idea, means after thoroughly or properly examining the feasibility of idea, whether the idea is implementable or not, the promoter is assemble all the resources, he prepare all the necessary documents given and give a name to the company, perform various other activities to get company registered, because registration of a company is essential. So then promoter start his work to do, means he start gathering, assembling all the resources, start preparing the documents and all, and obtain the certificate of incorporation and certificate of commencement. After, because a company cannot start without obtaining a certificate of incorporation and commencement. Both the certificates I will discuss later. So this function is performed by promoter, and thus the promoter performs so many functions. Not only this, various functions are performed by promoter, but in our syllabus in detail we will not study the functions of promoter. We are ending here only. So I will send the notes of the all these stages of formation of a company. Only that notes you have to follow. So this is all for today. I have discussed the first stage of promotion and what do you mean by promoter. The meaning of promoter as per section 69 of Companies Act I have discussed today. Please learn this definition. It is very important. So this is all for today's class. Tomorrow I will discuss the important documents which promoters promoters of the company they prepare, because these documents are essential in the formation of a company. So this is all for today's class. If any problem in today's class, then you can contact me personally. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone. Take care.